The MarginDriver File Upload Center can be found under Settings, File Upload in the MarginDriver app. It allows users to populate their accounts with data even if they did not set up automated data retrieval during the free trial signup. There are 3 separate file templates, each of which can be found under the Select File Type drop-down menu. They include Order File Upload, Product File Upload, and Shipping File Upload. Choose the template you would like to download and click Download Template. The template will download as a CSV file with sample values that you can open in Microsoft Excel or other spreadsheet application. Reference the MarginDriver knowledge base for instruction on what kind of data you should enter in each field. All fields are recommended, but the fields denoted with a triple asterisk are not required. All other fields are required for the data to be accepted. Once all data is completed for the given file, save it as a CSV file and then upload that file in the File Upload Center. Ensure that the type of file you are uploading matches the file type chosen in the Select File Type drop-down menu. You will be able to track the status of your uploads under File Upload Status. Once the file upload is complete, it will take a few minutes for MarginDriver to validate the data. During this period, the status will read as Uploaded. If your data meets the template requirements, the status will read as Data Accepted. If not, it will read as Failed. Click on Failed to view the error message regarding the problem with the file. Fix the file, save it, and upload it again. It will take about 15 minutes to process the file, and once done, the status will read as completed, and your data will be live in the MarginDriver dashboard and reports.